Hello. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Montana 3623 EB. We're going to start with our pass-through storage first. So obviously it does go all the way through. You do have your water station on the other side. You have a central vac system, nice LED light strip to illuminate the area. You do have two awnings on the campsite here, as well as one slide out. Looking down at the tires, you can see that we do have dual axle. And then below that entry door, we do have some nice solid steps for easy access. Stepping into the camper, we're gonna check out this kitchen first. You can check out that kitchen island with its lights underneath. It is bougie looking. I love to see it. You have a residential style fridge, 3-burner cooktop, oven down below. Your sink is one of the fancy ones. You have your bottle sprayer here, cutting board, waterfall spout, really cool looking. You also have pull-out trash cans underneath here, and then your pantry right off of here, which is really nice, goes all the way down. Across from your kitchen, you're going to have your dining and living room area. So your dinette is freestanding. You do have a little bit of utensil storage underneath here, as well as an extension. Theater seating right next to that with a table in the middle. And then at the very back wall of this fifth wheel, you're going to find your couch. This couch does fold into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. And then you do have a little bit of extra storage on either side as well. Across from your theater seating, you're going to find your entertainment center. So you have a smart TV, sound system by JBL. You have a fireplace underneath, and then you have this door. If we open this door, it's going to reveal your electronic bike, dirt bike room. You got some nice utility racks. Has its own door so that y'all can access it easy unloading, easy loading, and then a little bit of extra storage on that front wall of this little room. Closing this door, we can check out this whole kitchen area. If we take a step back, nice lights above. But if that pantry wasn't enough for you, you do have some more storage with adjustable shelves, which is really nifty. If we go down this hallway, we're gonna run into our control panel, as well as a nice little coat rack area. And then up these stairs to the left, you're gonna find your bathroom. So this bathroom is a little bit sneaky. It's more cool the more you look at it. You have a really nice looking shower with a seat, nice oak seat in there. Porcelain toilet, of course, with a trash can behind. And then this vanity area is where it really all comes together. You have your sink, your mirror, your storage. And then if we pull this guy out right here, you have a space for your straightener, your curling iron, maybe a place for some bobby pins. I don't know. What are we putting there, guys? And then at the very front of this fifth wheel, you're going to find your main bedroom. So this is a queen size bed. You do have windows and night lights on either side of the bed, which is really nice. Storage beneath, of course. And then as far as wardrobes go, this thing is massive. You have like 4 different wardrobes all put together in one. Of course, the right side is washer and dryer prep. And then for dirty clothes, you have a little wardrobe hamper, which is super nice to have. Across from the bed here, you're going to find a little bit of extra storage as well as another smart TV and window. But if we lift this guy up, you have some storage for some knickknacks, maybe some jewelry. And that's going to be your 2025 Montana 3623 EB. Thank you so much. Have a great day. To reveal your electronic bike, dirt bike room. You have some nice utility rack. Has its own door so that y'all can access it